Hey guys, today we are going to talk about 5 best investments right now for 2022 with 10 times the potential. So, investing is the most effective way to put your money to work and accumulate wealth. A few smart moves can help you outpace inflation and increase the value of your money. If you don't do it, you're missing out on an opportunity to build up your financial worth. However, investing often sounds easier than it actually is. The most important and most difficult step to it is deciding what you should put your money into. So, what are the best investments right now? To help you make only the right moves, we looked at the best investments right now for 2022. If you play your cards right, you could be looking at even a 10 times return on investment. So, with that said, let's check out our top 5 picks for this year. Now, I'm no expert. I don't even pretend to be. I'm just reading an article um, on this information. So, um, if before you invest in anything, reach out to an actual expert, someone that has knowledge, because that is not me. Okay, so top 5 investments for 2022. Out of all the investment options we inspected, the following 5 look like they have the most potential: cryptocurrency, growth stocks, value stocks, short-term corporate bond funds, and real estate. We will explain below why we think these are the best investments for 2022 and potential gains. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has made a lot of noise in the past few months. This medium of exchange has become hot property, and it's easy to see why it's one of the best investments right now. There's many uncut crypto gems are on pre-sale or recently launched, like the example Tamadoge. Don't even know what Tamadoge is. Um, what is Tamadoge crypto? Tamadoge aims to be the best meme coin on the market, leveraging the power of the Doge aesthetic to build an engaged community. Those who purchase Dogecoin or Shiba Inu will recognize the popularity of these meme coins among retail traders, which help propel both coins to new heights in 2021. Um, let's see. Tamadoge, another excellent ERC20 token, takes a unique approach, combining meme coin concepts with play to earn gaming mechanisms. Um, so the next one, um, value stocks. Value stocks have proven to be one of the best investments right now. However, those who are new to the world of investing may not necessarily be familiar with the term. So, what are value stocks? These are stocks that are trading at a lower price relative to their fundamentals. Investors buying this type of stock are seeking to capitalize on inefficiencies in the market. The idea is that while the stock is underperforming at the moment, it's less vulnerable to any financial downturns. As such, they may be a better investment opportunity at the moment compared to some other stocks. While less vulnerable to major decreases in value, this type of stock may still fluctuate a lot more than bonds. The next one is short-term corporate bond funds. Okay, sorry about that. So, short-term corporate bonds is the next one. Corporations often issue bonds to investors as a way to raise money. They can also be packed into bond funds, which can include those issued by hundreds of businesses. Usually they have a maturity of 1 to 5 years. Because of this, they generally considered to be less susceptible to interest rate fluctuations. Some other bonds are prone to. The next one is real estate. Putting your money into real estate has also always been a smart move. With the way the market is right now, it's one of the investments with 10 times potential. Housing needs are increasing, and right now is a great time to finance the purchase of a new property. However, bear in mind that the unstable economy may make it more difficult to actually run it. Real estate investments offer a steady cash flow, something many investors are pursuing at the moment. Whether you choose to buy residential or commercial property, you can rent out the space for a monthly fee. The best part is that the steady cash flow isn't the biggest reason why real estate falls under investments with 10 times potential. Let's see. In the past few years, some properties have yielded great returns. This means the value of the space you buy can significantly increase over time, allowing you to sell it for profit. To see big returns like this, it's important to find the right property to buy. Some locations have proven to perform better, so doing your homework before splashing the cash is critical. Another reason many investors love real estate is that it comes with tax benefits. It allows you to deduct numerous expenses associated with running a property, including property taxes, mortgage interest, the cost of ongoing maintenance, and a lot more. When selling property for profit, the gains aren't taxed as income, but rather as capital gains. In times of economic turmoil, real estate is also one of the top diversification options available. When the prices of goods and services are increasing, the value of real estate tends to increase as well. There are various ways you can enter the world of real estate. Some investors choose to only deal with commercial property, while others opt for house flipping. If you want more steady returns, rental housing is your safest bet. With housing needs increasing in the past 2 years, very few rentals sat empty while the owner paid the mortgage. So there's some options right there. Again, do your research, reach out to an actual expert, and wish you the best. Good luck, everyone. Have a good day.